Hi, today we are going to go through acids and bases. As you know, acids and bases are very important in our lives. So we're going to study a little bit more about acids right now. Okay, learning outcomes. We're going to go through the list of examples of common acids in our lives and describe the properties of acids. Some common acids that we have. Most foods are acids. Acids like citric acid found in fruits or lemons, and even vinegar. Vinegar is ethanoic acid. Some other fruits have tartaric acid in bananas and in grapes. And for some who liked milk, you have lactic acid. And some to keep yourself stimulated with tea, you have tannic acid. Ouch! Imagine being stung by a bee. There is an acid that causes that pain, and this acid is called metanoic acid. Sometimes when you run, you have pain in the muscles too, and there's a certain type of acid that causes this pain, and this acid is called lactic acid. Sometimes when you do vomit, you do taste the sour taste, and the sour taste is caused by a certain acid in your stomach called hydrochloric acid. Some laboratory acids are hydrochloric acid, HCl, sulfuric acid, H2SO4, nitric acid, HNO3. This can be found in all labs. What are the properties of acids? Well, first of all, you have sour taste. Taste sour. Any food that tastes sour, they contain acid. They change the color of litmus paper from blue to red. What substances can acid react with? Well, acids react mainly with metals, metal oxides, metal hydroxides, and metal carbonates. Reaction with metals. Most metals react with acids to produce hydrogen gas. For example, magnesium plus hydrochloric acid to give you magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas. Another metal, zinc plus sulfuric acid gives you zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. These are the balance equation for these reactions. Magnesium chloride and zinc sulfate are also known as salts, which we will cover later in the subsequent chapters, in the subsequent lectures. Okay, how about reaction with metal oxides and hydroxides? Well, acids react with metal oxides and hydroxides to form salt and water. Like in this general equation, metal oxide, metal hydroxide plus acid gives you salt and water. Some examples will be copper 2 oxide plus an acid, sulfuric acid, gives you copper 2 sulfate and water. Metal oxide, copper oxide, and a salt, copper sulfate. Sodium hydroxide plus hydrochloric acid gives you sodium chloride plus water. In the same way, metal hydroxides, sodium hydroxide plus the acid will give you a salt, sodium chloride. These are the balance equations for these reactions. Number 3, reactions with metal carbonates. Okay, acids react with metal carbonates to form salt, water, and carbon dioxide gas. Metal carbonate plus acid gives you salt, water, and carbon dioxide gas. Example, calcium carbonate plus sulfuric acid gives you calcium sulfate plus water plus carbon dioxide gas. Calcium sulfate is the salt. Other examples would be magnesium carbonate plus hydrochloric acid to give you magnesium chloride plus water plus carbon dioxide. And these are the balance equation for these reactions. Alright, in summary, let's take a look at what are the reactions of acids. Acids react with metals to give you salt and hydrogen gas. Acids react with metal oxides or metal hydroxides to give you salt and water. Acids react with metal carbonates to give you salt plus water plus carbon dioxide gas. Let's recap what are the key concepts. The properties of acids, simply, number one, acids have a sour taste. Acids turn blue litmus paper red. Acids react with some metals to produce hydrogen gas. Acids react with metal oxides and hydroxides to form salt and water. And acids react with metal carbonates to form salt, water, and carbon dioxide. Right, this is the end of our video lesson. Thank you.